In this video, we'll talk about the disorganized workplace equals the end to productivity. Now that we've looked at addressing disorganization in the home, it's time to move on to the workplace. Here, we look at why clutter in the office causes so many issues. Why is disorganization at work a problem? When you're in a disorganized workplace, there are hosts of issues that begin to arise. Some have a personal effect on you, others affect your colleagues or employees, and some will even impact negatively on the success of the business. When the workplace is cluttered, messy, and disorganized, anxiety can begin to build up among staff members. Not knowing where to find anything can lead to arguments, disagreements, and a negative atmosphere in the office, as well as high stress levels. With no efficient system in place and mess getting in the way, it naturally follows that the entire team becomes less productive. Valuable time is wasted on trying to find lost items or trying to rearrange items that are getting in the way. Employees are also less motivated in a messy, disorganized environment, so productivity levels drop all around. Let's add into the mix the fact that a messy office creates a bad impression for anyone visiting the premises. Whether those visitors are customers, clients, or business contacts, when they see a disorganized workplace, they immediately get the wrong impression about the company and think that it's an unprofessional organization. This also negatively impacts on the success of the business. How to become more focused. The first step to becoming more focused at work is to eliminate any physical mess. Desktops, drawers, cabinets, and other surfaces in the workstation should all be given an overhaul, and any unwanted items should be thrown away, recycled, or put back where they belong, neatly and tidily. When your immediate work environment is tidy, clean, and organized, it becomes easier straight away to concentrate on the tasks in hand. You can quickly see the items, files, and paperwork that you need, so no time will be wasted. You'll also feel a lot less stressed and anxious when everything has a place and stays in it. Eliminating virtual mess. Bear in mind that disorganization in the workplace doesn't end at your desk surface. Virtual mess is another serious problem that can begin to pervade through your mind and cause reduced productivity, low mood, poor motivation, and general stress. Your hard drive and email folders can be a source of anxiety for you if they aren't kept in some kind of sensible order. Virtual clutter can cause just as many problems as physical disorganization, or maybe even more. If you can't find the important file that you need to send to a colleague, or you're trawling through endless emails trying to find an urgent message that you've lost but need to respond to quickly, your stress levels can go through the roof. Tackling this virtual mess is an important component in decluttering your workplace. It will make a surprisingly big difference to your mental well-being.